Started. Our first talk is from researchers at the University of Queensland in Australia, where it is currently just about 1 a.m. The trick of scheduling a global event is that many of these folks are not able to join us, but we are looking forward to hearing from researchers Hoang Nguyen and Rubbiya about their project. So without further ado, let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Rubbiya. I'm going to talk about our project PITSCHI, which is a data repository we are trying to establish at University of Queensland in Australia. The aim to establish PITSCHI was to meet the needs of UQ researchers working with Center for Microscopy and Microanalysis. CMM is UQ's microscopy, characterization, and analysis core facility and part of National Grid of Microscopy Australia facilities. We have about 24 academic, research, technical, and administrative staff. We have a diverse range of instrument platforms, including electron microscopy and microanalysis, X-ray diffraction, and imaging mass spectrometry, which operates on 4 main sites on the UQ St. Lucia campus. All these instruments generate huge data. The huge data being generated through CMM platform requires the development of central repository through findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable approach. And that is only possible if we are able to digest as much metadata as possible, make it accessible to everyone, and should be findable or traceable at any time later in the future. In brief, we provide data management, analysis, and visualization expertise using CMM facilities to support research projects.
There's a number of objectives for this project. So first, we would like to implement an end-to-end process to capture, transfer raw data to storage collections, and index it at image repository. And the image repository should be in sync with our instrument booking system, because that's where the access control of the instruments is performed. Secondly, we would like to implement one storage collection per project. This is to move away from existing model where one storage collection is used for one instrument. And thirdly, we would like to harvest as much metadata as possible automatically. This is to facilitate the view and search for the data, and then later processes on another platform. And lastly, we would like to simplify the ingestion process of the raw data. So we have conducted an evaluation process, and we have selected Clowder over a wide range of existing data management solutions, because we believe that Clowder is the best platform to adapt it to our infrastructure. Typically, management of research data at UQ is happening around a platform called Research Data Manager. So first, a researcher needs to obtain a collection, and then this collection is mounted on the instrument. Once the data is ingested into the collection via the UQ data fabrics or PITSCHI, the data is accessible in other platforms such as HPCs or virtual desktops, without the need of copying the data. Via RDMs, the researchers can also publish the data with DOIs and durable URLs. This is the architecture of PITSCHI. It allows the users to ingest the data via the Clowder web interface. PITSCHI can also capture data right off the instrument computer and then import it into PITSCHI and then ingest it into Clowder. Either way, the data will land into the project storage collections and then be accessible in other platforms without the need of copying the data. With PITSCHI, we have linked Clowder to the UQ data fabrics or PITSCHI. We have also added a new extractor that supports most of the file types that are supported by bioformat. We have also modified Clowder to be more project-centric. The project information are coming from the PPMS instrument booking systems. And we have simplified the way the data is ingested into Clowder. The data can be ingested via the web or right off from the instrument computer. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please email myself or Rubbiya.
And thank you again for that presentation from Hoang and Rubbiya.